Dark horse number 1, it's already got a Whipple in it. Dark horse number 2 is getting a Whipple installed. Just like that. Jacob, what's better than a dark horse? 2 dark horses. Dark horse number 2 has arrived. I ordered this back in March of last year, 2023, and I haven't heard anything about it. And then December 24th, 23rd, something like that, right before Christmas, dealer calls me. They're like, hey, your dark horse is here. And I'm like, well, I already have one. But this is actually the one I ordered. It is a 10-speed. It has the handling package, so it's got the wider wheels, got some nicer lips, has a bigger spoiler, and the biggest thing is it's got the 10-speed auto. So this one, as you can see, it's already been supercharged and it's been driven for about 3 weeks to a month or so. It's doing good. It is a manual. I need to get some better tires for it, which I already have. I just need to put them on. The weather sucks around here. Can't ever get traction, so I'm gonna have to wait for some better weather. But the good news is we got a second supercharger. It's a stage 2 Gen 6 supercharger, and it's also gonna match the paint of the car again. So a lot of people are commenting on my first install that I'm not able to put this back on over the Whipple. That's because, I mean, I'm sure I could make it work. It's not gonna clear the hood. But would you rather have 900 horsepower or do you want a piece of metal? Oh, look at that. That's a weight reduction. Trash. Oh, by the way, if you want some free AirPods, I'm giving these away. All you have to do is hit like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and comment on a picture of the AirPods. They're actually engraved later HP. So if you want some free AirPods, there you go. So unfortunately, I didn't have time to drive this thing a lot. I maybe have like 250 miles on it, maybe 300. I was hoping to put at least 1,000 miles on it and then change the oil to 5W50. It's got 300 miles on it. It is what it is. It'll get broken in with the Whipple on it. Gonna break in the engine and the Whipple at the same time. My special bucket. Okay, so a lot of people complain about Whipple going to a single throttle body. Why would you want 2 throttle bodies? That's just another part that can fail when you're on the track. You get stuck, open, closed, whatever. So why not just go with one big one that can handle up to like over 2,000 horsepower? Heavy unit. It's still warm. So everything comes in the kit. Just gotta peel that off. Even comes with a Red Bull to get you going. You know, because this is like the exciting part. think these are GT500 injectors. I think. Haters make us stronger. So look, when you remove the strut bar, there's another strut bar piece. So that holds the front end together. So it's not as bad as people think. You know, just removing that piece over there. Show it. That's more for looks. This is actually doing the work. And that's going back in, so. I always grab it wrong. Dual intercooler. Water to air. That's it. So that is how you install a Gen 6 Supercharger on a 24 Dark Horse Stage 2. Just kidding, we're still working on it. Nope. 0.035. What's that? They're all labeled. This is a left-hand intercooler to LTR. Well, this completes the install on this 2024 Dark Horse with the 10-speed auto and handling package. Unfortunately, this car will not run in this video, but as you see, there's another one back here with a 6-speed manual we've been driving that, abusing that car pretty much to the max, and it's doing good so far. Once this one is running, we're gonna go ahead and compare the two, and I'm gonna have to let one go eventually I don't know if it's gonna be that one or this one because I really like the stick shift, but I think this one's gonna be easier to drive with 900 horsepower plus. So yeah, if you haven't ordered a Whipple yet for your 24 GT Mustang or Dark Horse, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and get one, because the lead times are just gonna go up, and you don't want to be the last one to get one of these. So place your order, like and subscribe later.